Time is one thing you cannot get back, no matter how hard you work or how much money you have. Take control of it and stop wasting it. Hello, my lovely Wi-Fi. Want to let you know that I adore and I love you so much. I really need you and I want to spend my life and everything with you. I really love you so much, honey. Text me here, darling. Let's make some love. Maybe it is hard to think how I lived my life before I meet you. Now I do not dare to imagine my life without you. I promise to take care of you and make you happy. Please do not ever leave my side because you have my heart. I promise to make it up to you, darling. Soon I pray before this year ends. I love you.